Muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Anglican Jackson Ole Sapit augite ya Kenya marathie na mbere gukuithio mirigo ya kuriha magoti manene na waria mari wathanini makegangarana uhuthiri muru wa mbeca iria icokaniriirio mategwitigira.
Balance economy that Kenyans will feel we are taken care of, but as it is, we feel those gaps were not taken care of by the budget as read yesterday, but we still urge the planners to make sure that there are programs that will cushion the farmers.
Augite ahariria budgeti matinathingata woni wa muingi na maragathekire o maundu maria maramaguna o ene.
Then that did not care about the people who are earning low incomes, and you see with a high cost of living because of fuel prices, then the same person earning that and paying will still buy goods at the higher prices in the market because everything else have gone high.
Muthikabu uyu no amenereirie ministry ya githomo ni kwaga uigiririki muiganu hari guthingatithia mathina maria magumeire ruhonge ruru na mathina maria anyitite migithomo-ini marenda mamurikwo.
Can we all sit and ask ourselves what needs to be done? Because I don't think the Ministry of Education has a solution itself only. It must be with parents, with the churches, with the ministry.
Ole Sapit aritie hindi ya uhandi wa miti itura-ini ria Rio Deri Kikuyu agikungwira muthi wake wa guciarwo kuria amenereirie ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni kiria augite ni gutua macira kiuteti matekuheana kihoto kiria magoti mabatie gukinyaniria.
If you set a precedence, especially as a judiciary, then it becomes a precedence in the future. So ours is just to say, can we follow the rule of law to the latter instead of applying haphazardly and applying the law just sections that suit you or suit the circumstances of the situation.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Kikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikuga wa Kariuki.